Welcome guys, today is another day and we are heading towards the Ghana party in the park to experience good Ghana music and then taste food, experience culture happening in London. So I'll be giving you updates on whatever will be happening at the Ghana party in the park today. Continue watching this video and continue liking and sharing it. And don't forget to subscribe as well. So the journey is about 1.5 hour drive from here. I'm leaving from Peterborough to London. The journey was started full of hype and full of vibes, but not full of fuel. I had to stop at the petrol station to fill in the tank to make sure that it's enough for the journey. So we made a stop at the petrol station and then we ensured that we had enough fuel for the journey. After putting in some runs, I had to go in and make payments and continue the journey from there. After feeding the car, we hit the motorway, enjoying good music, some Black Sheriff tunes. 35 minutes in the journey, hunger started to humble us, so we made that only stop at McDonald's to get ourselves breakfast since it was early that morning. From this guy's reaction, you could see he couldn't wait any longer. Hunger was killing him softly, but finally the food came in. After having something in my belly, there was enough energy for me to speed up so that we can arrive in London on time. Fast forward, we finally arrived in London, specifically to the location where the Ghana party in the park was scheduled to. Entrance was supposed to open at 12, but Ghana time said, nah bro, 2 p.m. is fine. So we chilled in the sun. The crowd was slowly building up. Meet me to tell you this. The food section is meat grilling, coconut chilling, kelewele smiling. They had jollof, wachi, fufu. We even had, talking of fufu, it was not just the neat fufu that we've been eating. We had macho men on site, pounding fufu.
I need some help.
DWP dancers came on stage and shut it down like nectar. Sorry, ECG.
Hey. All the sexy ladies who like to do the dirty wine for me. See, I be killing every show. Every day I'm getting money. And I wanna spend it all on the ghetto dreams. And that's you, my queen. Slow down.
Let me talk to you.
My baby, let me talk to you. Come on.
Moliy came through to shake it to the max.
Girls. 2025.
Sister Deborah bringing that sweet drama. Gyakie also came through with her sweet melody. There came Kweku Smoke with his pizza man chicken man. Then finally, the ladies man came on stage with his back-to-back performance. It was really entertaining and massive. Everyone was singing, dancing, losing their voices and their home training. Vibes overload. This was more than a party, it was a whole cultural shutdown. Ghana took over London. Big shoutouts to everyone that pulled up. If you enjoyed this ride, hit that like, smash the subscribe, and then make sure you share this video around. Cause with Bewise Studio, we only just getting started. More stories, more vibes, more lives. Peace out.